Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is A Survey of Big Data in Social Media Using Data Mining Techniques. Next, we are going to discuss about our abstract. This feature is motivated by the clear need of many organizations, companies, and research to deal with big data volumes efficiently. Examples include web analytics application, scientific application, and social networks. A popular data pre-processing engine for big data is Hadoop MapReduce. World's largest community feed, Facebook's like button pressed 2.7 billion times every day across the web, revealing what people care about. Such an impact of social media that internet user average almost spends 2.5 hours daily on liking, chatting, poking, tweeting in on social media, which has become a source of unstructured data. While dealing with the big data, it's difficult for traditional database and architecture to modify, grill, and then structure this data. It can lead to many consumer insights which can help to create win and win situation. It has become necessary to find out the value from the large data set to show relationships, dependencies, as well as to perform predictions of outcome and behaviors. Big data has been characterized by 5 V's. First one, volume and velocity, variety, veracity, and value. This paper deals with these 5 V's features, challenges, futures of big data in social media using data mining algorithm, tools, and Hadoop framework for overcoming challenges of big data. Next, we are going to discuss about our flow diagram. The first process is file selection. Here we can select data selection. Data selection is defined as the process of determining the appropriate data types and source as well as the suitable instrument to collect data. The process of selecting suitable data for the research project can impact integrity. The next process is data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is a data mining technique that involves transforming raw data into understandable format. And next we are going to data loading into HDFS. HDFS is nothing but a Hadoop distributed file system. And next we are going to data classification. Classification is the data mining function that assigns items in a collections of target categories or classes. The goal of classification is to accurately predict to target classes for each case in the data. It is the process of organizing data into categories for its most effective and efficient use. The next process is clustering. Clustering is nothing but the process. Here we can separate the group of similar elements. The next we are going to prediction. A prediction is a statement about an uncertain event. And next we are going to file merging. File merging is nothing but a process. Here we can merge the file into one. After that we are going to Hadoop MapReduce. MapReduce is a programming model and an associated implementation for processing and generating large data set with a parallel distributed algorithm on a cluster. Here we can find word count. After that a file will be stored on cloud. And next we are going to run our project on Hadoop open source. We are going to run as Hadoop. Just wait. Efficient big data processing in Hadoop MapReduce. Go for here. First of all, we can select the file. Go to E. Here we can select the file name facebook.txt. And next we are going to loading our file into Hadoop distributed file system. Okay, show our data. And next process is pre-processing. Pre-process completed. After that we can see the pre-process data set. The next process is classification. Here we can separate category 1, 2 and 3. First we select India. India's data, the category 1. These are India's data about photo, link, video, etc. Next Australia. This is category 2. Australia's data. And third one South Africa. We can see South Africa's data sets. After that we are going to clustering. Here we can select India. Here we can select status or photo or link. I will select link. View. Here we can India. In category 1 is India. Types link. The next. After that we can select South Africa. Here okay, status view South Africa. Category 3 is South Africa and type is status. And India status view. Here type 1 status. In category India, type status. After that we can predict our data set. Predicted successfully. Here we can predict our data per post per month, post per weekdays, post per hours. We can predict. Here we can search photos per weekdays means search. Here we can find how many photos will be post weekdays. Here we can find. And here in South Africa status perfect. Here we can see in South Africa which status page total likes. Here after that we are going to match our data and show our data types. And next process is file upload to Hadoop. Here we can upload our file on Hadoop. Just we can wait for output. File uploaded on Hadoop successfully. Okay. Just we have wait for our MapReduce function. We can see the completely MapReduce function. And next file store to cloud. Our file is finally stored at CloudMe service. Okay, after that we can see our data set. We can see our result on graphically. Value existing system. This is proposed system. Thank you guys.